I'm sure you've heard the news. Death Valley is hot, but with these tips, you'll be ready to conquer it. First things first, only visit during the cooler months, spring or fall. Summer, it's a no-go. Temperatures can hit a sizzling 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up, pack plenty of water. We're talking about a gallon per person per day. Dehydration is no joke out here. Don't forget emergency gear. Think extra food, a first aid kit, and a reliable map. Cell service can be spotty. Wear light, loose clothing and a wide-brimmed hat. Sunscreen, absolutely. Reapply frequently. Plan your hikes for early morning or late evening. Midday sun is brutal. Stick to marked trails and let someone know your plans. Lastly, your car is your lifeline. Ensure it's in tip-top shape. Keep extra coolant and check your tires regularly. So, ready to tackle Death Valley? Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy the adventure. Like and follow for more travel tips.